In this video, you'll learn how to sell digital downloads on Stan Store. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to set up your products efficiently and effectively. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Once you are on the main page, locate the section labeled My Store. This should be visible in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on My Store to proceed to your store management interface. Next, look for a button labeled Plus Add Product. This option is typically found near the top of the page, prominently displayed to encourage product addition. Click on this button to start the process of adding a new product. You will now be prompted to select the type of product you want to add. Choose the option for digital product. This selection indicates that you will be uploading files that customers can download after purchase. Once you select digital product, you will see fields that need to be filled out. Start with the product name, enter a clear and descriptive title for your product, such as Printable Planner PDF. This name should accurately reflect what you are selling, as it will be visible to potential buyers. The next step involves writing a description for your product. This section is crucial as it explains what the download includes and highlights its benefits. Be specific about what customers can expect, such as features of the planner and how it can help them organize their tasks. After completing the description, set the price for your digital download. Ensure that the price reflects the value of your product while considering your target market. A well-researched price point can significantly impact sales. Now it's time to upload the file as for download. Look for an option that allows you to attach files. Stan Store supports various file types, including PDF, zip, MP3, and PNG. Ensure that the file size is manageable, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet connection. Once you've uploaded your files, review everything to ensure accuracy. After confirming that all the information is correct, look for a button labeled Publish. Click this button to make your digital product available for sale in your store. After you click Publish, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your product has been successfully added. At this point, your digital download is live and ready for customers to purchase. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.